Alright, welcome back, people. Welcome back. We are here. Never stop running, New movie. Me, I beg you, please. Like as you now watch it. Share as you now watch it. Subscribe. Remember, I say subscribe, friend. You just touch the little red button where you see on the screen. Just touch it and you subscribe and you just turn on the bell and I hit that. And every movie we post, you see it. Please just share the moment so we can have enough views and we can go to movie, pan top of movie, pan top of movie. Not on Netflix now push out too much movie, so we are going to movie, pan top of movie. Remember, I said when you don't buy Netflix, you don't have to pay a whole heap of money. YouTube free, so we're going all right. So David there, the big bad artist, I tell you, ready?
Yeah, man, I don't know, see, David and Fanny left camp. Big up Popeye, big up Coloring Book TV, and big up Jamaican City. Remember, see, a mad thing, because me and my friend, they never do acting, but we actually do, it's just a slang. Remember, say, a new song out. Big up Poppy, then I should about some new song all the time, too. And a new movie, remind my name, Popeye.
Never stop running, Never stop running.
Ever. Remember, if you like, subscribe, and send your friends, send your auntie, send your grandmother, and send your foreign friend them. Remember, see, I hit that. Subscribe and like. No.
Yeah, and big up to my wife here, overseas, Cynthia Reed. Bless up.
I'll give him the phone. Alright. Give me a minute, please. When I client need on the phone.
What do you want?
Me no know.
What do you sound like? Foreigner?
Yeah.
You sound like a money somebody?
Yes, me mute the call. Hurry up, no
Yeah,
man.
drive for.
I know. Alright. I'm gonna give him the phone now.
Hello, good morning. Yes, you're talking to Mr. Dad. Yes, it's most pleasure, yeah. You hear what I did? Yeah, I did that for yeah. Yeah, man, I know she's happy, yeah. I can do the same thing for you. Yeah, what size house you want to build? Yeah, you send the money in US to me and I get the house done for you. Just the way you want it. I work with everything for you. I can even buy the land for you and show you pictures of it and Yes, or we stand by our reputation, you know what I mean? So too many times, the reason why I start this company, because I am a victim, you know what I mean? So when I came back to Jamaica, I started this company by ensuring that whenever you send the money to build a house in Jamaica, when you come to Jamaica, you have a home. It's not no gimmicks. It is lawyer and everything go through the system. You know what I mean? So you know that your house is good. Plenty too much people have lose their hard-earned money. So that's the reason why I do this. One of my next phone is ringing, but just keep me posted. I'll call back that number that's calling. But just keep me posted of your plans, and when you're serious, I give you my bank account number, and then you send some money come to show me that you're serious. You have to like an interview, but that interview costs 150 US. You know what I mean? So that should show that you're serious. And once you do that now, this is like a consultant fee. So I can show you some pictures of house that we have already done and tell me what kind of house you want. If you don't want anything like what I've done already, I can give you a new type of house. Yeah, your money is gonna be in safe hands. There's no hand safer than a Rastaman hand. So once you put the money in the Rastaman hand, it's safe, right? Alright, so I'll be in my office anytime soon, so yeah man, that's cool. Alright, so you come back about tomorrow, them time here. And then we get some paperwork done. But this evening, when I go into the office, I'm going to start putting out some house pictures and things, so I'll be ready by tomorrow. All right, thank you very much for the call. Thank you for the business. Yeah. Better Jamaica. Thank you for the campaign. Hello.
From man.
From me dip on the phone, I work.
From man, cock up in the bed, you have
I'm
work
tired.
to go.
I'm tired. Don't tell me when to go to work. I'm my own boss.
Okay then, hopefully
Yeah.
you can spread up the bed then.
For that alone, you don't wait me back up. Unless I have big money again. That sound like our money make. Give me some more time. Take time with the doors. You know by an inch panic.
What go on? You know, so I get one thing to me here.
Wow, man, too. You know, me there at church, yeah. Stress out, man. God knows.
Boy, I feel like, I see.
No work, no plan. No work. Give thanks to you, look at Jimmy, sir.
Yeah, man. Listen, no work there.
Me a suffer. Me dig 2 yam meal for one man, you know. Man, for me, I give me $200.
US.
Jamaican.
Yeah, no, I joke, yeah, but I feel joke that 2
We
pills.
still take it still, you know. Buy 1 pound of chicken back. I don't want to see it, and I just thief 2 and yam them back.
It makes sense, cause oh, if you look for a big man and give them 2 bills. Right now, 2 bills can buy patty, and patty can full gut.
You see, once a man hire me, and then now pay me good,
You have to rob them.
me will rob them.
Happy.
Cause you can't take up and get a youth and I try to use them. You have to make them making money too.
You happy.
That's why, you see, me don't want to leave country go work a hotel.
What me?
Because they not be in the US, and I'm collect in the US.
No, but yes, I'm telling you a trick with hotel now. I guess them give you money and I boss them. Cause I boss them, they want money for themselves, you know. And you have to smooth with the voice, chat to one guest, say hello, while rub their shoes if they want, but not sell up.
No. See, just now, me not too like them.
Ah, well, I understand.
Them nasty in one way. No, man, them nasty. Then why you have to do some things, I don't want to go there.
You have a point still, then kind of weird, but I just have to do what you have to do right now, cause see that breakfast, I just try it now too.
So you couldn't carry one bull or something, you just come with this sauce and juice.
So right, me I show you man, a Skittles meat from breakfast and right now this I forgot serve me till 5 o'clock today.
You know what? Me think me have an idea though. Because they are town and they have a nice job when they run the office.
Office.
I call him and get a work.
You can manage office work then?
No, not really. We don't have to do the office work. We can wash in car or something, we don't know. But we just want to work. We can't tell you no more. The time me I collect 200 with dig army like I want $300. You know, no sense better go to town and go make some money.
I true man, cause if you go to town and I'll probably all wash and carry and somebody will point and say, you know, say the youth are hard worker.
Me I look one girl and the girl now, me give girl 2 pieces of yam to him for plant it. Start life with it. You can't lick with it. Stone with it.
What does say? You lick out it?
Lick me with it, Mr. Girl. When you lick with the yam, how we have yam it? You see me look like yam it? That's the girl, you mad somebody have money that plant the yam. Two head, you know?
Then girl I don't know if value or nothing. But right now, I wish somebody that they have to give me 2 years made. I go plant it out now. I wait for it grow up man, but
So yeah, I think I'm going to start out myself and make a call because I don't have no phone.
none.
I don't have no phone. So I have to go make a call. I don't like country.
Boy.
Country you can't get no access to nothing.
Nothing.
You have to walk a bag if you no salt or look of sugar.
But right now you can't beg nobody cause everybody nice trapping and said boat. But no, no plan.
So you know what?
You know, say, as a chat about that, I hit me out come out to tell us, you know, say me I go real soon. Yeah man, me I left out of this place, I can't trap in and said barrel with everybody, you know.
So you have left country with you?
Half you left here so. If me not left here so, me get dragged down and
Alright.
get my barrel.
Alright, you know what me I do? Me I make sure me call my cousin tomorrow. You see, as he say me I get it,
Yeah.
me I make sure say, me jump on the first bus as he say yes.
Yeah man.
Because me not lose that opportunity there.
Mad man.
And country hard so.
Country terrible man. Yo, but then me I walk and butt me to and whole of my slippers pop out. I ball me one ball, but I grow rough. To me not up right hand.
Look how me cook dirty. We can't even wash it no water in the country.
Boy, me I tell you.
Anyway, eat your skittles and leave the country because you're so no good.
None at all. But
So-
pick up yourself still.
Alright, me I go so.
Alright, I'll back up some.
Yes, me okay.
Why is so silent on there?
Something me I deal with.
Oh, yeah.
Something
That's another day, you know?
So what you do?
I don't know why the water gone every time Bailey can't flush the toilet. Alright, so I go on, I go down.
Yeah, me good. And then my neck kind of pain me. Wake up with the pain me this morning.
I tell you about the TikTok, you know.
I don't know TikTok I sleep. Me sleep
Listen
for
up.
10 minutes.
Where me see you go on your head. Me don't wonder how the head tap no peel out. Because me see you on the TikTok for your head. What you go for your sister, I turn me see on head tap. Who can't stand by tap long? No tell me say neck hurt you. Me tell you say mind you pop your neck because me a feed it down here, you know.
Me an official dancer. So
Yeah, but load the neck alone.
If I like come to talk about it, it make no sense.
No, I don't come to talk about it, I'm man, you know. Now that you're 22-year-old, what you plan to do with your life? You're not going to work?
Well,
Huh?
if you work, why me I go work?
No, different. Yeah, like you see, back in the days, you have traditional housewife, right?
Well, me I one of them.
You're not breed. You know what I mean? I'm putting my phone over this. Alright. Yeah, blessed. Oh, everything is alright, you know. No, it's transfer, but I have to go down to the bank and draw it from the machine. Yeah, so how much money? We probably have to drop the money off though.
The money,
Yeah, we probably drop it off. Who forget it? Can I come give you our way?
you see it.
Oh, get certificate. Alright.
You can give $1,000 money.
Oh, that God. I will figure it out, man. Later.
You know me broke.
Alright.
So we don't make the phone.
Alright, later.
Alright, bye.
If I trust in my life, save the get past that, well, I pass about my mother, you know.
So, are your mother that there?
Yeah. She want money. If your mother don't want money too, because she can't
Yes,
money.
you're
you
not,
know.
you're not, you're
So
not.
no.
No money if you can't go give her.
What do you think this is you have all the way? You're 22 now, you need to get some work. Too. I buy one sitting machine. I buy one sitting machine and it come. One ice machine. So,
No, wait, before you go no further, you buy an ice machine for what reason?
alright. Back in the days, man used to sell
Back in
shave
the
shave
days.
ice cream. And it's called Sky Juice. But now, you see with a machine there now, it's a different thing. It's a world breaking thing because you put in a one cup and now you pull the syrup on it. And like you love just up hot, me know say, not even the sun not like you when you touch the road. You will sell that.
Yeah, me will sell that.
No.
Oh, so you try to say you buy it for me, go up on the road, go sell it, crazy.
You now go up on the road and sell it.
So when me I go sell it?
Go sell it one place. Right on the roadside. You know the road, you know where you go. So
Me
anyway,
now go up on the road, go sell it to Feisty.
listen to me.
You out there, get
You-
somebody else to do that. Don't, you're bright. Me now go up on the road, go sell them something there.
May I ask you a
Go
question?
sell ice.
Me see you drink the same ice after the road.
No, we buy and drink it, but me now go up on
So
the
if
road
you
to
can
sell
buy
it.
and drink, you can sell it.
Me now want to sell it, me and stay in the house and you go there go look work. By the way, you already have a job already. Just to work the money and carry it for the 2 hours fee. You know? Buy things in the house and stuff. Me now work. Yeah, the man I use for work.
No, listen now. Listen. More you practice independence. So why me help you go to school for then? Why education if you're not gonna use it?
If you come clean your house.
Oh, for general me. You
For
name
general-
it to go no school, you know. You go to school and me help in the last half year make sure you get your whole life. We have 12 subjects I do with.
Me no business.
You should make some look of people who want it because you couldn't get good job with it. But since
No.
you don't want to work in the office, go work in the street, more make your own money.
Who you send to the streets for?
No, listen up, it's good for you to go in the street.
Well,
No, we have make money, we have money, you know, so you're not go hungry. But look, extra money you make, you can donate it to your mother and you look at siblings
then
them.
you don't give me money if you do all of that.
I am not that type of guy. When I take you up, I
Well,
never
me
take
call
up your
it-
family.
Oh, I need to take up my family. Okay.
What go on, Bridget? Why chop now? Well, just link me down off that side there, because I have a local work proposition. You know what I mean? Me buy one ice machine and for me woman there tell me say she nah sell the ice shavings. And I tell her say don't you wait time hot down here. You no have hand for sell your foot for sell it. As you kind of melt out so you go make profit out of it.
How much are you?
Depends, we just give you a percentage. Depends how much you make. But I give you 40% and me take 60. Because my machine, we go buy the ice and everything. You go in the street, you make extra. You can sell phone card if you want and banana chips. That have your extra side money. But me give you some donut to sell penny and so on different. So we figure out a way. But you make money, me make money. Right? Because me pick up. Yeah man, a good idea daddy. Jamie Wood ice shaving machine in the heart of the town. Get it while it is cool because the time is hot. You can't lose. Yeah man, forward in. Everybody good at country though. Yeah. Alright, I can't say nothing more because your wife is the side of me. I don't know why I take up a young one. You know, so you're the right, you know. When you say we take up the whole set of ladies them.
So
because the younger one them. No. This is one I know
Hey, you shut up
this is one I want
on
to
the phone,
hear
I'm
from
man in the chat.
this is one I want to on the head tap. And he don't want to work in the strip club. I try.
Control a friend, you know. Control a friend on
You
the
want to go in a
phone.
go-go club?
Control a friend on the phone. Don't chat to me so.
I go build a go-go club for you specifically. Your sister can. Yeah, boy, I love TikTok. And him a tick but he not talk. Because he not make no money. No matter what time of the clock. No money not make. You know what I mean? So, I not understand it. And I like time I go and like the girl them like Bree. Or like, you know, I know I mean send certain guy name. Because I don't know who else, you know. Right time. Because some things that go on the TikTok, I don't like it. Make it stay. Yeah man, so you want to forward in. Forward in, my brethren. Alright. Businessman, never done. Hello? Okay. I'll talk to you. Oh, okay, but you still go 1,000 still? I don't know. Like, alright, I'll talk to you. Alright. Boy, you're not easy. Later. Bye. This day, say now our room gets all, but I'm mother still. You can't throw me into your mother. Can I get everything and you know, do not at all. Anyway, all of that is all of this. Anyway, go on where I do. Go up your neck again.
No, I mean still you're going in the say yeah.
Last night said neck also.
Cousin! Me know you're in there like you're out here. Oi! Oh. Let's see what's up.
Hello.
Oh. I'm not coming from country.
Hello. Me a come and see what this is. Hey. Hello.
Oh, thank you, good man.
Your cousin come to you.
If you feel good,
Your cousin come to you. See me.
I feel good, man.
Sorry. Hey, wait.
No, some tough boat show we have a country, man.
Someone come and feel up and stuff. If you sit down, no sir. Come control your cousin, no man.
Oi! Lord Jesus, I feel good. I feel like a bed.
You're letting you cool, you know.
That's no country hard, you know, ma'am. It's not easy.
Oi!
What a part of him? What a part of him? Oh, God. Oh.
I like you better now.
Oh, go on.
What about cousin?
How long you must stay here? How long does somebody
No, man,
stay? Because we get feeling like married.
Oh, you say you come though.
He just reached and I like him.
Because when we take the opportunity, we just grab few clothes. We not even be in the cars. To wait.
Alright. What go on? Are you go work on the road?
Yeah.
This go be your bed. Come here, you have one bed here.
Feel comfortable. It's
Yeah, man.
better than the bed.
But what I know, you have 2 beds. 3 beds. 1, 2, 3.
Well, I want to pay for them.
Well,
You can't afford it.
it come with the house. Was a hectic penny. Was a good penny.
Oh, you feel good though. So good. Want to cook down here?
Hello, we never cook for you. Me never cook for you.
No,
Me
but-
cook for me and my man. Me never
no,
cook
I
for
mean
you.
like what kind of food do you cook here?
Where you come from?
Country, we cook
Country.
dumpling, banana,
We
yam.
cook
Alright,
dumpling,
sit down
banana
now.
and yam said we.
Oh.
See, John. This is the machine.
I first missing. Oh, me I go see them in that town.
Yeah, man.
Them put the
Hello,
ice
make
in
you
your
touch
so
your mind
and
in brief.
Yes.
then them put the cup on there so.
Yeah. Just plug it in.
So we know we current on road.
Battery. We're going to get one of the car battery them.
Oh.
Plug it and put on generator. So, you know what I said?
So we can carry, when we done work, we can carry our country with nearly fire.
This year, listen to me.
Go do
When you start work, you not stop work with it till it work up. Till it done.
Till it done.
Yeah, so you have to work
when
and
it done,
work.
we still get
Ears. No, listen. When this one mash up, we must come by 2 of them. I work, and it's me and jerk.
Your daughter look nice too.
Remember my daughter woman this year? She had 22.
I see it in the top up on the phone.
Yeah, she that.
What's she?
My daughter young. See, I don't get some daughter
You
there.
chat too much mind your business.
She and my baby mother, you know.
Huh?
And my baby mother, my girlfriend this, my baby mother live far,
You
my
don't feel
daughter
like
young.
You don't feel like she's too young.
No, she age of consent 6 years ago. No, 7, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. She had cancer, she had this over consent.
I'm like 25, yeah?
So you tell me that fact.
No,
Alright,
I can tell them
anyway.
from the country.
Anyway, I work in time. We now must.
Outside toilet.
Diamond, we have
We
inside
have
toilets,
inside
flush
toilets.
toilets, we have hot water and cold water.
We need
But
the
the
hot
hot water
water.
must not drink, cause it's not boil. Hot water, but you boil water.
No, understand. Me only know about making hot water for
Yeah, but no, that's what I tell you. When I come to the place, some country, same way with the kind of new cooling. But yeah, some time, man, you go know what.
Oh, cold water too?
The water is not cold like the fridge. You call normal water,
Oh.
cold water.
Oh.
But it's room temperature water. But only the hot one.
Oh.
The one you want cold water, but you have to go check your anti-foreign. For them water come out of the pipe, freezing cold. Right?
Right.
Alright, so you know her name, right?
What
In anything.
Ask her her name. No, you go there to me for call her
No,
name.
no.
Me no want
Send
him.
me our mom.
Me no want him to call her sweetie or honey or
Send me
no.
our mom. You don't even know
What
me.
she not tell me her name? What your name?
Miss her mom.
Not because we come from
Call her
country.
Miss her mom. Miss her mom. Miss her mom.
Huh?
Miss her mom. She miss her mom.
Miss her mom.
She miss her mom.
Miss her mom?
Long time she miss her mother. She miss her mom.
You're laying on the bed, man.
Idiot, don't take me for.
You have to get up out of bed. We learn at country, we cannot sit down.
No, but come on,
No,
make time
wait.
now. Come on, make
No,
time.
wait
I'm
then.
working time now.
Hello.
No, but principle, when we there
No, you
country,
can't come in this house and
No,
tell me to
no,
get up on
listen,
the
listen,
city.
it's in the day, it's a settee, we call it.
No.
No, listen, no, we not.
Come on, I feel
Them are area.
right.
We not sleep, that's like that. And night is sleep. So nobody sleep in the day, so nobody in a bed per day. So when you touch night, and you get one sheet put pan it, it convert into a bed. But
you
no,
put
you have a
your
sheet
knee
pan
in
it.
it up.
So
no, because it's
You come here
own
to cause him to sit down. You
All
can't
right.
tell me if you get up out of your bed. You
All
have
right.
3 beds. Go another one, the other one day.
So you want
No,
to
this is
know?
a
No,
one.
you can't sleep now.
I don't sleep.
Someone can't go on
sure.
spot. Now
No.
can't go on spot. But
You don't understand, make sure the principle. When we there country,
You
we
need to come
don't,
in my house to show me no principle.
we don't sit on the
Come.
bed.
Do you want to go back up today?
No.
Yes.
Not talking. Alright, come on. Come on. Come
Go
on.
ahead.
We are carrying on a place where you put the star.
Come
Come.
back.
Come on, Bright. I feel all broken in your bag. Who would have broken in your bag? Bright and feisty.
Yes, cuz.
Yeah, man. What go on the road today?
Well, we not really make much, you know.
What you want now? Me have some money, I don't want the money mix up. Just go over yard and give the money to my woman.
So how much am I paying?
She go tell her to give 40% out of it.
What?
How much money you make?
Me go to your wife, you don't worry about that.
Daddy, I'm here at work. How much money you make?
I'm not calling for chum change. You know what I'm
Like how much?
11,000.
So Carrie go over there, she do to give 40% out of it and tell her to pay my partner.
You know, me just
And pay for your partner.
only I 6
You see me as a man, I say give her the money and make she take 40, take 60 and take 40. We not lose. You not lose. Like me I say, just out of your money, I teach a business now. Because I not give you a fish, I teach you how to fish. When you are fishing.
No, I don't like them talking.
Listen.
Swim around. Teach me how to swim around. Don't.
Listen me. No fucking no swim around. No swim around. Me I say fish. Because we not give funny man no title, no name, no color, nothing at all. You see, fish is what in the sea. Right? Human being cannot be a fish. You understand? So if a man have nothing wrong, it's a wrong bang man. Call him wrong bang.
Oh,
Yeah.
wrong
So
bang.
apart from that, there's a teach a youth how to fish than give them a fish. Because every day they want to look for a fish, give them a fish. Right? So you go teach yourself, or come here, teach you something now. You go buy some phone card and some banana chips. You sell it. They don't sell that on the side. 100% that they are fear. And you want to sell phone card.
Banana chip. It's a phone card. No, really funny. It's hard.
But people come because they want to come buy the phone card and buy something else. So once they buy the phone card, they say, can I keep the change? Use your brain, man. Use your brain to get the tip from that. Deal the customer them good. So you want to be a one-stop shop. You don't know offer the phone card, but you're going to make it up for something different.
Oh, one-stop shop. So we can sell
every little thing, just sell it to the people on the card.
All money, we can...
If you can't sell it, you sell it. But if you get locked up, you earn your own.
No, you're mad. I'm here on the business.
Listen.
Anything happen, you have to that too.
Alright. But remember, I give you no extra to sell more than ice. Ice and syrup and water. That's what I give you on the card. So anything you sell else, you're there for your own. Go on.
Alright. Remember I say, you know, if anything else we sell, we dey pay money. If somebody belly run them because of the ice, we dey pay
After
money.
them, yeah. If them belly run them, they should not drink ice in the first place. After them, this is that. And somebody yard, somebody poison them at the yard. Don't complain about the ice, because ice is not here. Yeah, go jump off that, and tomorrow morning, more I push out earlier. Right? More I push out earlier.
Up country me wake earliest, but do so comfortable.
But you know, so now, I go start put my marker stick in my settee then.
It's smooth.
But what may I say? Jump off the money, tomorrow the next day. I have some things to do. I have 2 clients to go and focus on.
Client?
No, man.
Oh, you chat to?
No. Client because we have clients were coming to the office.
Oh,
job done.
Yeah. Because when it's a client, you don't think that you buy them for country and chop.
No.
Oh, alright.
More than chop grass before me than chopping the line. More than go do something different because you see with quick money, sometimes you get to live a life. You will get a fast money, buy a Chris car, and big but you're dead soon. So I want something for me to live longer. More than go chop some grass and plant some weed and raise some cow and goat and this and that. You know what I mean? But all the one is I'm not going to the fields there because I know said we go start raise cow and goat, then go live forever. And nobody can kill them. I go have whole heap of goat. I'm not going to sell them. So when whole heap of cow, I'm not going to sell them, then go live forever.
Oh.
So then I live forever and
Live
ever.
forever?
Yeah.
If you're back country, if you have a goat or a rammy, and you catch Christmas time, you better chain him down with 100 chain.
But we don't get my license for the arm, so anybody think they can kill one of them?
The last man missing jump asleep right through the December. I just rope him wake up and say, let me tell you that.
Alright, well.
Anyway, I go. So
Alright.
the wife must cook.
So like you know about goat, I go buy 2 goats here down here since you're down here because you're a countryman.
Alright, no say nothing.
Alright.
They're blazing and I go and suffer.
Just relax, man. Because Virgin said you instead of pay a partner out of it, if you do, remember one say because let's say we country people not to memorize nothing. Anyways, you cook.
Me cook, but not for you, as I said before.
You look pretty this morning. Let's
Thank
see.
you.
When we wait, you never wait, you know. You never sleep so late in the bed again next time. You be up.
Mr. Youth, look here.
You
If
feel
you
me?
got some, I don't have a job. Only thing we do is clean up in the place and cook little food.
No, you have to get up, make little breakfast like me and cousin.
You feisty. And your cousin bright too. Want to send me par road to go up machine, ice machine and sell go give people and son out crazy. Then my lifestyle enough for me.
Actually. When you have time, you have to make your ice and melt more. But anyway, we apply to make some serious money, you know. So if you want to lift him and take me up, we can elevate.
You know,
You never hear someone sing, we are elevate.
you know say feisty though?
No, why you not say that? You count the money though? Count it, man.
I took money in my hand.
No, my cousin say get 12 subject, but I'm going on 2. How much that?
Oh, the 12 subject there, I barely buy them.
Really?
You mean by really?
You know how many do I buy one? Me drop asleep in a CXC class.
Next time you talk to me, I'm mind you talk on me.
But anyway, what you say? Me say I'll make some more money and me take you from cousin cut to all for you. You know all him.
Me know he might push me for work and me don't want to work. Me don't
No,
want
when
to
you
put
have
no man.
me, listen up, when
when
you have
me have
me
to
and
work.
work, we can do jam meal and we can do that and we can sell 2 things for the sideline and make some money. And so by the time, you know, we can have extra cup, you know.
You see the work when
Yeah,
I do?
when I
A
sell
big
some
money I
money,
make off of
we can extra
that.
cup.
Me I tell about
So,
that.
I saw me
Me
sell
I
one
want
pack of
money
cup
them.
fee,
So
I
me
saw me
know
sell
the
for me
thing
pack.
what go on.
I saw me sell one next pack fee, me double up my nose and I sell 2 cups. I saw me put in my pocket.
Me tell you so much money me
And then
catch.
cut it like, oh, that's my pay partner.
I need a partner again.
And big us. Better yet, you what you do. You see, like how you act, I mean, when you burn up out and I say, let me start pay partner. We just tell my lady there. And give me money, me start pay partner.
You know when I roastery around there so?
Me not come for you. You better send
Then
me.
how you want to go pay the partner, you know?
You just send me details on the phone. There's the technology upgrade.
By the way, you have phone? You have phone?
You want on your phone then? No.
Your favor what me not know. Me pay for
No,
it.
we have the phone. Wait. Me just remember saying on the phone. I want no hide man, no hide, no did they hide. Me apply them now. Me look at banner.
How can you think that the phone?
Eh, why you know that TV?
Because a country you come from, you're going to say no use to nothing, so I have to thief that.
Me say, I want a lady come there style and go, oh my boy, oh you put the juice. I'm did there no, I'm great to the ice and the machine and then did there fast and she a fast. And me give her kitchen teeth and then go one side and then me see food and me say, alright, that's what I call her. That's take it.
So password on your phone.
Password?
Mm-hmm.
No! Password?
Come, let me get the number. Let me take for your number and
Number?
eh? Let me take your number and me send the location.
I feel I number in there.
How the woman number go?
Hold on, let me check it. 555 2830
28 what?
2830. Yeah.
Alright. Me send the location now. See money here. Do that much money there. Just give man whole line money.
Oh, I see coming. That's a technology advance. You cook?
What?
Cook some food till you come back. One,
Yeah what?
2 pieces of yam and 3 finger banana and 1 Irish and 1 sweet potato and 4 caramel dumpling with a lot of meat. And a big jug of sugar and water with lime squeeze in it and 2 pieces of ice.
You tell me where did that place order? You go on here Come off and now hold it up in this and go. Go on.
Oh, phone.
Yes, I'm bright. Hold on.
Oh, are you a partner, lady?
Yes.
New in that area, I do because selling in that town, sell some ice and some banana chips and stuff.
Oh.
So I wonder how far you gone, my partner.
Well, a 2 weeks ago, I partner start, so you know, if you want to join, you have to pay 200.
How much a jar?
A 3 Ghana. How much a jar?
No, 3 gallon.
3 Ghana honey.
Alright, so you put up my name.
Hold on, hold on.
I'm going to pay for it 200. So,
What your name?
Popeye. Come from country, you know? So, when the partner done, how much me you get when he done?
Do we make you know?
No, I don't say, I'm not pay a partner.
$80,000.
Jesus! Alright.
Alright.
Everything like, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. You know, you live alone?
Yes, and you're lonely.
When we get my partner, we carry out.
Yeah, man, they can't come give me half of it.
You don't feel what cold fish. Oh, half hour. Yeah? Half hour.
Yeah, sleep. How I use 2 takes out, yeah. Oh no, yo. Babes. Babes. You're not gonna sleep yet.
You tell me already to sleep it.
Look who's outside kills. You can get the money to the right? Or the partner play and thing, alright?
Yeah,
So, cause we tell the partner man to call me. Oh. So anyway. I want to say no more bed first though. Why? The office hot. It sound like you're hungry. That means you know. Mash up it. Come rich. Mash up it. Mash up it. Come rich.
What me at?
Yes.
And me go reach for the fan, are you go reach for the fan a while ago?
Who the near to the
Are
fan?
you lit down the fan that's a while ago?
You yarn a while ago and lit down the fan, man. One
try
yarn.
disrespect me, not true. Wait, go on trade door.
Hold on.
Go on.
But you cook?
Me not cook nothing.
I'm so glad because I not eat. But you yarn like you're hungry.
Because me hungry, me expect you to bring some KFC or something. Me don't want no bread.
Listen, this yeah, it's better than KFC.
Well,
This
I
is
want
bread.
KFC.
This a bread yeah, have fiber in it. Hard to. So I will back soon if I win. It's a burger the way it fan when. Why me don't know? Yo, you want the
When the
best.
fridge dirty, you can't clean it.
Look at the plant them I buy come game. When buy them plant they come here them green and now them black. I say them ripe until them black. What is that bag yeah? Oh God. Don't forget to have a girl that come clean your house. You know do a good job.
You want to go and clean your house.
Yeah.
Get you one time in a day.
When you're there,
When me
and the
there.
interest of the girl, she can fight. That means say then lick your backside. You can't body.
Can't toddy. See, I don't know disrespect of me, I feel go through. Hello. Remember something tell you last night, my mother need money. My mother need money.
Watch out. You see me have a drink water?
Are you want drink out of the bag?
No, because you want. Cup them molly.
You mean you cup them money, me no wash them.
No, they're not washed. They need to wash again. And the last time I checked, they're their mother. Say mother, you can't demand money for your mother. You know? Don't go work, I think so.
Look here. Are you supposed to respond for me? So as long as you respond to me, you have to respond to my mother. To my mother need money, and you have to give me the money if you can't give my mother. Remember that. So I want the money right now. Because I need to go up there too, they're going to give her the money.
I know you look, I can't talk one different language. Because me
I
hear
call me tell
all
you
me
for
I
Arabian.
hear it. What you want? I talk to you later.
Listen to me now, man.
I talk to you later, yeah?
We need the money for sure. Oh, say the business about my mother. That's
No, I don't miss about your mother. Thank
Oh,
your
yeah,
mother.
tell me brawling from my face too.
Brawling.
Brawling.
Because the brawling time I know the morning. You have to get up this man and say morning.
Well, good
But
morning.
first thing you say to me, you're man. Them things are gibberish. And I don't have no time for that. Cause right now, I can hear some US money calling me. You're a client, now hear something like US money test. USD, I don't ramp.
You don't ramp.
For USD because of US transaction, I don't ramp with them money.
You know, I'm going to left out here this morning and you know, give me the money if you care, I'll give my mother. You know, say them at...
Yo, I don't know what that girl from now. This morning, I tell Isaac, she want money to give her mother.
Then you can't.
When I check her mother says she not give me nothing. I'm gonna get dollar for me. Her mother up there with one workless man when I walk.
No, you know,
Just
that man,
sit down every day and just a saga. And two more picnic the mother have up there.
Yeah,
and I said,
sure.
me fi mind two with them.
Yeah,
And she not give me nothing.
Yeah, can you get the benefit of the daughter and daughter?
No, listen. When we get out of the daughter, blessed are the child that have her own. She have her own things them. So may I give her her own money. Her mother have her own hole. She dig herself in and she good.
They always say no. If you want the mother, you have to mind the calf. But if you want the calf, you have to mind the mother. You have to cherish her.
You don't understand the parables. The parables say you can't get the cow and not take the calf. But I don't want no cow. So I don't want no calf. That's a woman right there. It's a girl.
She get
So
take care of you. Give her
she
money,
get
but-
take care of, but not the mother. You want the mother? Take your percentage out of what you make down there. Take a mind the
No,
woman.
but listen, no. We learn in country. If we date, the daughter will take care of the family too.
I lie.
We take
That's
care of
why
family.
you in country have nothing.
One hand wash the other.
Listen, don't tell me that. I know you their country right now when nah give fear girl nothing. So if you nah give girl nothing, that means say nah give woman
That's
nothing.
why
And if you nah give money, that means say nah give father nothing.
Oh.
And if you nah, none of them nah
No,
get
no,
nothing.
you see? And that's why I want to get the whole bakery.
No, listen.
Yeah.
You have some girl a country, you know that I want them to come. They not no sense. They don't care about money.
That's a true, but
Down here, so the girl them down here, they want money for mind them, mad them, goat them, cow, everything of them, yeah, they want money for.
but the country can let them know. They're easy, they're light, they will get bun back up a bun.
Well, listen, I don't think so though. Some of them country girls is faithful though. They say they're not whore, they're not whore, so they won't, they don't take money because they not sell nothing. So they don't want no
I
money.
eat at them because them are laid down for free. And instead of them collect, they don't want soap, they don't want rag, they don't want toothpaste, they don't want rollers. So they go kill out every night, give the man, and the man get up go spend it for somebody else.
But remember, say the politician responds to the country, you know. So if you go to the country, like politician, them fix buy them fab and soap wash them whole. We have gone for work. I'm gonna work.
Me soon go
Are you stay to them? You can't tarry, but anyway, the way you have to do, make you say you make the same amount of money every day because the bills they need to pay. They need to pay me.
Yeah, man, I save money.
Alright.
Nothing
Try
change.
increase pan domo because try set even 3 more bag of ice, more try get some more ice so you can sell more and more syrup so you can double business because you want the money pile up. So by the time I get my jar now, we go buy 3 more of them same.
With jar.
When I get the partner jar we wanna
Oh.
yeah. We go buy 3 more of it and build 3 more carts. We can carry down 2 more cuts them from country. We then go down at 2. But then bust that kind of.
No, we don't want them down there.
I make fear our mother can sell and employ the father too. My father could step back and sell too.
Oh no, dear chat.
I don't mean, are you man? Say me mind your mother. What kind of man that you take up?
Are you out here chat with him? Not
No, man, train the right and remind your mother. Why would I do that? You're too hard. Your mother forget mine into. I don't know still. They always say, show me the man who want to take up and me can't tell him no one have.
Me can't deal with this right now. I can't go back in the room.
You know what I do? You know, I go on the road, but juggle and make a little extra money. We can't come and give your mother.
Alright then, do that.
So, I'm going to stop and pay the partner. So, we have to come back here so with the money. We just stop and pay the partner.
Alright then.
No worry then.
Alright.
From that phone already. That's what I'll be here.
Babe, tell me say a joke you dey make. You know me get the money to give my mother. Just calm down yourself. Just listen to me now, man. Me I go bed off and come down to the office and you give me the money. What you mean by me if you not come down there? But me tell us my mother need the money. My mother need the money. She's sick bad. Me I go bed off and call you back. Alright. Man, like I didn't want to use.
Now go on.
Hey. One day, man. I feel this.
Yo, that is not a joke, you know. You see one thing, a business of client money. Client money. Care and put
Oh, I want my money here.
Overseas money, a business money. Let me tell you, I have some clients overseas and for them money. Because my time they say I'm going to get their family and their family mess up it. So then send the money come, you have to send it go bank for them.
I'm calling out of you.
No, that's okay. No worry about that. Nobody will put the people the money. Yeah, back up, daddy. Where you come board, Joe?
Oh, I'm come to tell you done sell.
So carry money go give no woman now. I make sure you pay my partner same way.
Okay, fine.
That's security.
Hello?
Oh, you have phone ring.
You are the one of your phone? Oh, me live at Kingston, ma'am. Me very old enough. Me thank you for your phone, ma'am. Alright. Yes, ma'am. You know, I want to diss me, you know. I'm coming up with a message in the juice and I left you accidentally left in your phone.
If I get people on their phone because you see, like, you want to walk down the street and I say phone.
Serious?
Yeah, man, them seriously, them science business don't have
You
one.
think all the country alone do that?
No, them people don't have, them get the sense from country, they
Alright,
don't spend.
oh, no worry. no
Call her
problem.
back and girl, because them go
Alright.
make you have to say phone on the road. Phone.
Ma'am, sorry, yeah. You did accidentally left your phone. You remember I juice man when they had trouble? Yes, ma'am, because cousin son love go be down here. I don't want to walk on the phone. Alright, just come for it. Check me tomorrow. No. Check me tomorrow. Me I count out some money, some overseas money. Alright. Alright, now go home.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Yo. Don't ramp with the go on. You want to go back country? You want to go back home?
No.
You go on, we are go down and ramp with this episode.
Can't drive the car.
No. Go on, daddy girls. Go on, man.
Alright.
Go on, man. I don't joke with people money, you know. Think me can't make them lock me up because of people money. I run them joke the daddy.
Mom, please, mom. Ati.
You come and run in the chat about Miss Mom.
No. In the send money for your mother.
Who you are talking, boyfriend?
Yeah.
No, I'm not get no money.
No, say me say, you might count out one heap of money. You
What?
You waste like dirt.
Which part?
In the office, but yeah, no. Mommy, you go down there. It's like you go confuse him and me. I take up your money.
You confuse him, because I said you're good pan and sitting there.
You ready?
We're going to go take your money.
Because God, your money enough. He knows say, put it up. I want to put it up. I want to put it in the car. I want to put it up. I want to put it up. I want to put it up. And I say, yeah. I try to touch him. Me and you, man, slap with me. Slap with me.
Alright, I just let me, I left my phone there. I don't care them coming on and then mash up and nothing to do. So come on.
You sure?
You prepared?
I'm kind of afraid, but
Me afraid too, you know.
say no, when I come back here, I say no.
What you gonna do?
Run me together.
Who are you?
Me and you. I mean, come up with the idea.
So I forgot. Alright then, come on, I don't care them idea.
Mm-hmm. Come, tell him you are going up a country.
Yeah, man. The money alright, man.
Go on, man.
I me call her back. Here, my girlfriend calling me. Alright.
So,
Remember some
What are you dealing?
they tell us that I come here because my mother well sick.
mm-hmm.
Remember I call you one time tell us that I go be it off and something.
Oh, yeah, but when they said to you, said the money not come through yet.
They know what that in front
No,
of
this is money and different business. The money after somebody become collect it.
Somebody money.
If you drop off somewhere, right? Mm-hmm.
Cousin, you can talk to you second. We have some situation with the ice machine now.
Alright, slow, right, that's all.
Now,
Slow,
function.
listen, soon coming.
Alright.
Well, come for that.
How's that doing?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, so just do that way there. Moment that you there come check it, and then if I don't care go down, technician them and they can fix. You know, go on up a yard, man. Go on up a yard, be soon forward. My job go down, so when we done.
Alright. So, easy and cool itself, yeah?
Yeah, man. So more sense, man. Go down my car. More sense, man, down there.
Make them fix the machine.
Alright.
Make them fix the machine.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. When we there, so now. Yeah. Yeah, man. More send for yo. Just send for me soldier come pick it up, man. Send for me soldier. Send yeah. Send Mad. Yeah, Mad Max. Mad Max are there. Send the next dog them, man. Send the next dog them. Send Pitbull. Alright.
Yo, Rasta, I pray. Sleep and up, man.
You know what go. Alright, so you them send for the money?
Yeah, man, I send them for collect your cheese, man.
That's free, but you have money a while ago.
Look good in a Rasta, cause one thing, you know, I don't waste my time, you know.
You go on now.
Anytime I touch the road, that's something me have to forward fire, so I don't just come on road for nothing, right? So look good. I come like I
Oh
sleep when I
shit!
sleep, confused,
No man,
like.
no man, no. Oh man.
Rasta,
You mama
where
call
my
me.
money there?
The mama calls take your money. Yo. Don't move, fine, yes, I'm so forward. Go, man.
Double that if me I wait in a Rasta.
Calm down, yo. Yeah, get up on my chair, man. Get up on my chair, man.
They feel going to find the money.
Come, get up. I'm going to send up on a mission now. Here one now. My girlfriend and my cousin, they went off for the money. I went off for some more money on my yard. So I had my partner money gone too. I'm going to circle everybody.
Yeah.
You go on and now. More you find them.
I mean, man, give me right now, man. I already you know. Just show me 2 pictures with them. Show me 2 pictures on the phone, because I already you know.
Alright, so that card, wallet. that the car they have 100 US, 100,000 US. Panny, get any resources, come on them alive.
So,
Want them alive, tie them up and hold them in one place.
So hold on,
And
I'm
let me know.
paying for this.
Huh?
No, I'm paying for this.
We got text the pin, everything fit to know got the machine a jar, the money out that and get
So
anybody
show
to
me
get.
picture, man. Show me picture.
More send it to your phone.
Alright.
Pressing the phone number and this up. More send it the two of them sitting there. More send it up my cousin come from make you can find we check up a finger first to know and then I check up a fear of the girl mother. Family check them and find out about them there. Cause most likely amount of money run off with, then now they go on run go buy plates themselves and hide out. So you go find them
Alright,
that's
now
how they
do
get
it
so much
now.
money. Right.
Alright, now say alright.
Do it right now, man. Send it to you. Right now. Oh, I see. Me not see you close them. So that you do. That you do. All right. Me not say have money, you know. I tell them, I advise you and my cousin, you know, 'cause I realize that you know, go down at stall, me not see the iron, the ice shaver. People tell me saying they see two now move out. You have move it down bag, you move it down bag, plus my iron shaver and thing. But here what? Run! Don't stop running. Never stop running because member say, as soon as you no stop run, here come fire. What I want?
No, sir, you come like a stranger to me.
Yeah man, a long time but I'm cousin they are going to give the partner because I'm busy up on the work and things.
Which cousin that?
Because we sell the ice in the town man, and my cousin, you know.
Who, Papa?
Yeah man.
No, man. Papa come here, come start partner for himself. You know, just get him partner and go and collect him whole line partner. You know, miss no day. Look
No, me from when me send him come every day and come because my girlfriend say send him come pay the partner every day. Because she come pay it, then she tell me say boy, my papa pay a daytime because papa come here.
Look here. When Papa come here, Papa ain't say nothing about fire. Him just say him new in town and he must start one partner. And him just collect him partner pay. Me I come check for your girlfriend. You remember what she say? Me think I drop out type partner. From your pay 2 first and me not see you. Think I gonna find her somewhere.
You serious?
Me serious see there. $80,000 me just gave him 2 days ago.
Alright, that's alright. Everything good. Me catch you for the next partner. The money when we pay, keep that. But catch you for the next one, yeah? Alright.
You have to start out for your family matters. Alright.
Nice, yes, man.
Yeah. And the well furnished too. This side will be my side. You know, you're not used to good things, you know, so you gotta take care of this.
No, better country, but a different texture bed. I sponge to sleep and put this like here spring.
Yeah, spring. Yeah, my God.
Hey, so you never know tell me that pay the partner and my name, not you?
Eh?
To me a little fool.
Why?
You could be lying them. How?
You need to buy some better clothes, because trust me, then they don't look good.
The amount of money we thief can buy more than clothes.
I may need new clothes and something, and a lot of other things.
Right?
We mean like,
No,
the
listen.
face out take the money for you one, eh?
No, we have to be wise with the money. We can't be foolish. No,
We know that.
the man look for your fear here. The man look for me and my country. We get you know what call we get.
Because,
That's why I'm calling that the middle way now. I expect me fit there.
yes.
But anyway, the money, I feel do investment. Some
We're
money,
going to invest in a.
some money can come in. No worry about
My
that.
ice machine, I left it as well. In the kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh.
But we can't go in that one make enough money. Do you know what money make a day?
Yeah, but
Because-
that's money for going
Me tell you, I make 11 money, I make 90,000 a day.
90. tea?
Yeah, me buy cup. And me buy ice, me no fool. Me can do right on school gate and have money. You must be mad.
Are you mean business?
I'm going to China and say, give me some cups there. And when I go down to the ice shop and get some ice, you don't know, cause remember, film ice. When film ice done in my ice, I sell now, you know.
Just put off you one of them something else.
Sometimes I dash in ice. I buy ice, I make money. And then cup them, come back and cook them again. Sometimes when cup done, we tap on next supermarket and buy a next pack. Because me smart man. When I run an ice machine, you have to make sure camera did it. Because me have to just, man can buy extra cup. If a man sell soap for you, make sure camera then can buy extra cup.
True.
Any loophole in our business place, there's criminals.
True.
Supermarket,
Criminal.
if you have pack truck, your pack extra goods.
I know that.
Chinese you get up sometimes to be in a business. Me not support thief, but when you open me and people, you have to
What do you
teach
mean
them.
by you're a sport thief and you're a thief yourself? That means you support yourself.
There's a thief and thief, God laugh. And when a thief and somebody will manage to God don't laugh because they manage it. You must have about 40, 60, instead of say 50, 50. When that son had a bun up.
One thing you just provided the ice on the machine and look at them.
You shouldn't give back your money phone still ever.
Make sure they just left them the clothes because I all brought them there. I all brought them there. And mad people alone know where them this type of clothes there.
Look at me. Look at it. I'm a dead grandpa still on in the lobby, you know? I have to cherish it.
Look at that. Chino's there. I don't want to be seeing you in that. Try and make sure. Oh.
So wait a second. We in a relationship, right? Relationship.
Well, I guess so. If you're going to live in the same place and so. Yeah.
Alright.
But if you know the rules, them and the regulation, you never think about woman, you never take care of woman. You have a woman in your life yet?
Yeah, but cook food in them. Wash.
Okay.
Wash all them panty and put it down in the bath.
Look here. When everything you know, I tell you what you have to do. You have to earn all of the money. Most of the time, and you have to go clean up in here and cook for me. You want woman to get woman. What do they do? What do they do?
No, I just set it back. I just set it back. You feel better?
Must say, when I go out there go walk, you have to fend for the 2 hours. We. And sometimes you have to cook, you have to clean,
Make up
you
your
have to
mind.
wash.
Me will work, carry the money, yes, but you have to cook.
Sometime,
All the money there for your month, you don't cook.
look here, I one time in a month, me not cooking. Sometime. I said sometime. Me cook 2 times a week or one.
Alright, I'm going to show a car for me there because I'm not being, you know. I don't bathe.
No, they smell so go on.
No, you want it too cold, and then when you turn on, you're getting hot. See, I'm not going to show them. My life in the country area.
So that, I think I'll talk about water there too. All they do is when on the two, the hot and the cold, and mix the water.
Oh.
Perfect.
I'll mix it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nasty brood.
Yeah man, so from you see face and hear the voice, you don't know, puppy done for all who don't know. So from you see the video, you made it to the end of this movie. So watching, I'm glad you watch out it to the end. So as I said before, from you see me attack you, so that means you watch the movie to the end. You see me, I hope you don't trick me and skip out the movie, you know. More to watch out if it's true. So watching, I just want to like, share, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend. You see me, share it to everybody. Share to all of the family members in our yard. Take them phone and say, watch your movie, them movie run things. Send it to people them over foreign. Just send it to anybody. Go to school, show a teacher them. You see me, go to work, show a teacher them too. You see me, anyone who don't just show them say, oh, them movie run things. You know. So watching them, I'm not going to bag of talking, but go over Puppy Dan Vivo and show some love, you know, my Vivo that, you see me, and subscribe to my music channel. So stay tuned. You know, we'll eat more movie for the one name Never Stop Running. Continue supporting.